This one goes out to the girls. Not all the girls. Just the girls with the big cabooses, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, I know what you're
You know, back up that dump truck, girl.
Large train? Car?
I like big butts and I get my ride. You other brothers can't deny. When I'm rocking, racing around thing in your face and get drunk. Grow up tough, but you know that's like the stuff. Deep in the pants she's wearing. I'm hooked and I guess I'm staring.
Oh, baby, I wanna get with you and take your picture. My homeboys tried to warn me, but that butt you got makes me so horny. Ooh, rock the smooth skin. You see, I wanna get my bands. Well, use me, cause you ain't that average groove bitch.
I see her dancing, hell with romancing. She sweat, wet, gotta go like a turbo vest. I'm tired of the magazines, they but all the things. Like an average black man and ask him that. She better pack much back.
So fellas, as a girlfriend got the butt,
Hell yeah.
shake it, shake that healthy butt. He's got back. Baby's got back. Well, like I'm proud, it's big. When I'm throwing that kick, I just can't help myself. I'm acting like an animal. Here's my scandal. I wanna get you home and double up. I ain't talking about Playboy, cause silicone parts are made for toys.
I like them real thick and juicy, so find that juicy double. There's a lot's in trouble, take a more piece of that bubble. Now watching them rock videos, knock me bimbos looking like hoes. You can have them bimbos, I'll keep my women like Flojo.
A word to the sexo sisters, I wanna get richer. I won't cuss or hit you, but I gotta be straight when I say when I'm to the break of dawn. Baby, got it going on, a lot of sense won't like this song. Cause the post like I hit it and quit it, and I'd rather stay and play.
Cause I'm long and I'm strong and I'm down to get the friction on.
So, ladies, you're all on my four doors. Well, turn around, stick it out. Even white boys got to shout. Baby's got back. Peekaboo, 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 yeah, come on. Baby's got little in the middle, but she got much back. Little in the middle, but she got much back. Little in the middle, but she got much back. Baby's got back, y'all. Yeah, that's a back, y'all. Gary's got jammies, y'all. He's got that's right, Gary's got jammies, y'all. Yeah, come on.
You're shoving yourself.
Too much eggnog, Gary. It upsets my stomach, too.
Yeah, we're gonna want to put those in the
It
wash.
upsets my stomach, too.
Put those right in the wash when you get home.
Very
there, Gary.
rich.
Fill up the whole washing machine.
Yo, make some noise for MC Gary up in here.
Goodness.
Yeah, check it
you
out.
go.
All right, girl. You ready to do this tonight? All right. I got a question for you. What does Santa say on Christmas Eve, hip-hop style?
Yo, yo, yo!
Get up on this,
Yeah, that's right, girl.
get up on this.
Ooh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby.
Get up on this,
So, MCJLF, are you ready to dance?
get up on
Are you
this,
ready to dance? Let's go.
get up on this.
Salt and pepper's here. Salt and pepper's here. Salt and pepper's here. Salt and pepper's here. Yo, you want pepper?
Yes, please.
Come here, you want
Okay,
pepper?
now.
Tell me when.
Keep crunching.
That's
Too
a
much,
lot.
too much.
Too much?
Too much.
I can't take it off.
Just blow it off.
You can't take pepper off, right? You can't.
It doesn't work that
No.
way. Do that. Perfect. Thank you.
Salt and pepper's here, and we're in effect. Watching to push it back. Screwing by day, then at night. Working up a sweat. Come on, girls, let's come show the guys that we know how to become number one in the heart. Let's bounce, y'all. Ooh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, yo, yo, baby pop, yeah, you better make it fast or else I'm gonna get pissed. Can't you hear that music pumping on like I wish you would? Now push it back up. Everyone repeat after us.
Girl, you really got me going. You got me so. I don't know what I'm doing.
Do it again.
Girl, you really got me going. You got me so. I don't know what I'm doing.
Should we do it one more time with JLF? Let's go, JLF. Come on. Make some noise and miss MC JLF.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
JLS in the house.
yeah. Yeah, we'll see you. We'll see you later. We'll hit the wall.
ice, ice, baby.
It was to start the next song. It was to start
Let's
the
do
next
that.
Ice, ice, baby.
All right, stop, collaborate and listen. Ice is back with a brand new invention. Something got to hold me tightly, swung like a harpoon daily and nightly.
Will it ever stop?
Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow to the extreme or rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and watch it jump like a candle.
Damn, speak of that boom, I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly. When I play a dope melody, anything less than the best is a felony. Love it, believe it, you better gang. Wait, you better hit the bulls out the kids don't play. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby.
I'd like to introduce
Ice, ice, baby.
MC Gary.
Now that the party is jumping, with the bass kicked in and the thing is all pumping. Quick to the point, no faking. Cooking MCs like a pound of bacon. Burn them, they quick and nimble. I go crazy when I hear a cymbal. The hi-hat with a souped-up tempo. On a roll, time to go solo.
Oh, yeah.
In my 5.0 with a right top down so my head can blow. Gully's on standby, waiting till the day high. Did you stop? No, it just rolled by, kept going. Proceeded to the next stop. I bust a left and I'm headed to the next stop. The bucket's here, yo. So I proceeded to A1A.
Beachfront Avenue. Girls were hot wearing less than bikinis. Rock man love was driving the bikinis. Jealous, cause I'm out getting mine. Shade with the gauge, the vanilla with the 9. Ready for the jumps on the wall. Some are acting on because I'm full of 8-ball. Gunshot, bang out like a bell. Jumping out all the hardwood shells.
Rolling on the concrete real fast. Jumped in my car, slammed on the gas. Bumper to bumper, the avenue's packed. Try to get away with a jacker's jack.
Police on the scene.
You know what I mean? Pass me up, come run another dope beat. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook on my DJ revolved it.
Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Come on. Ice, ice, baby.
All right, you guys ready to sing out here at Brownwood?
Ice, ice, baby.
Repeat after the Spazmatics. Go ninja, go ninja. Go ninja, go. I can't hear you. Go ninja, go ninja, go. Go white boy, go white boy, go. Go.
And then you kick it, and then you kick it, and then you kick it again. And then you block one, block twice. And then you go like this.
Do people usually clap when you do that?
Yeah, you okay? Make some noise for MC Gary. I think it's very vital to rock.
Around,
That's right.
on time. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around, to rock around. That's right, on time is tricky.
It's tricky, 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 tricky.
It's tricky to rock around, to rock around. That's right, on time is tricky.
It's tricky, tricky. I met this little girlie. Her hair was kinda curly. But to how to bust her out, I had to leave her early.
These girls are really easy. All they just say is easy. Or spend some time in rock and rum. I said it's not that easy.
Here we go. over my tie.
I ain't singing funky ringing cause I make up a rhyme.
I'm not bragging, people nagging cause they think I'm a star. Always tearing what I wear and I think they're going too far.
A girl named Carol follows Daryl every gig we play, but then dissed her and dismissed her. Now she's jocking Jay.
No, I ain't lying, don't be crying cause I'm on TV. They even bother my father cause he's down with me.
It's tricky to rock around, that's right on time, it's tricky.
What is it, G?
Tricky. It's tricky to rock around,
That's right, on time is tricky.
It's tricky. We on the thought.
we don't use drugs.
What you assume?
On your own.
They offer coke.
And that's a girl.
We don't drink caffeine.
It's like that, y'all.
Y'all,
Cause we don't quit.
you keep on.
Rock shot.
Cause this is it.
X to the B to the A to the Z.
Spazmatics.
S to the B to the A to the Z. Yeah, that's. Somebody make some noise up in this bitch.
Whoa, Chad. Whoa, dude. Oh, wow, you cannot say that. R2, watch your mouth. This is a family show. Come
Give it up for angry R2D2 Christmas Eve, everybody.
Why are you so angry?
Delete that from the show, you guys.